Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are my old subscriber, then thank you so much for watching my video, and if you are new here, I'm Shahnaz Shimul. I live in UK. I do makeup tutorial, hairstyle tutorial and DIY videos. As you guys already know by the title that this is a Pohela Boishakh tutorial, but for my international viewers, those who don't know what is a Pohela Boishakh is a Bengali New Year. Pohela Boishakh is the first day of our Bengali calendar, which is celebrated all over in Bangladesh and some parts of India. On that day we usually wear red and white, but it's completely optional. You can wear any colorful dress because it's a colorful festival. And another exciting thing is this video is collaboration with 3 other Bengali beauties in YouTube, and they are from 3 different countries. We have Sharifa Yasmin. She lives in USA and she is one of the most talented Bengali YouTuber. I know you guys are already know her. Then we have Azmeree, another Bengali beauty. She lives in Canada. She is so gorgeous. Look at her makeup. I love her so much. And last but not the least, we have Linda. I met her personally. She is so humble and she is one of the popular YouTuber in Bangladesh. After watching my tutorial, please go to their channel, check out their videos and tell them that I send you. Okay girls, I love you so much. Please check my description box for their tutorial links. And if you are from Sharifa, Azmeree or Linda's channel, thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel before you leave. As you can see, I have already done my eyebrow off camera, and I kept my eyebrow a little bit dramatic this time because it's festival, right? And I have already applied a concealer as an eyeshadow base. So my first eyeshadow palette is a Juvia's Place Festival palette. What can be better than a festival palette in a festival, right? So my first eyeshadow named Uli. Their eyeshadow names are very interesting. So this is a pearly white shimmery eyeshadow, and with a flat eyeshadow brush I'm going to apply this on my brow bone, basically under my eyebrows. So all of the eye brushes I'm going to show in this video are from Morphe 702 eyeshadow brush set. Then I'm going to take my Too Faced Chocolate Bar Gold palette, and from this palette I am taking this brown eyeshadow, and with the help of a fluffy Morphe eyeshadow brush I'm going to apply this on the outer part of my eyes in a V shape. Very simple process. You just need to pack the color and blend the eyeshadow with the same eyeshadow brush, and this eye makeup will be very simple and easy, yet gorgeous, I promise you. And the color I'm using, you might not have the same eyeshadow palette at your home, but you definitely have this type of eyeshadow, like a simple brown, black, right? And then I'm taking the same shimmery pearly eyeshadow again, and with the same flat eyeshadow brush I'm applying this on the inner third of my eyelid. As you can see, I'm not dragging the eyeshadow all the way to my outer corner. I'm just keeping this middle part of eyelid. And now from the festival palette I am taking this bright orange eyeshadow named Ofala and this mustard eyeshadow named Oro, and I'm applying them just on the middle of my eyelid. And for this I'm using a short tapered eyeshadow brush, and again I'm taking the previous eyeshadow brush and blend everything together. Now I'm taking the black eyeshadow from Too Faced palette and I'm applying this on my outer corner, and I'm blending this very close to my lash line. So when I'm gonna apply the eyeliner, it's gonna look very smoky. So here I'm intensify the black eyeshadow again, and I'm doing the same step few more times. My inner lid is looking very faded. That's why I'm reapplying the pearly shimmery eyeshadow to intensify the color. With my Inglot number 77 gel liner, I am going to make a long wing, and here I'm using the liner brush from Morphe eye brush set. So what I'm doing here, I'm making a very thick wing on the outer corner. When I'm dragging my eyeliner inner corner, I'm just make it very thin. If you have small eyes or round eyes, you can try this technique. Your eyes will look much bigger and very elongated, like almond shaped eyes. And here I'm applying the gel liner on my lower lash line as well. Now with a small pencil brush I'm going to smudging out my lower lash line. So first I'm going to take the brown eyeshadow and I'm blending this on my lower lash line, and then I will apply the black eyeshadow and blending that as well. Oh my god, now please pray for me. I'm going to apply the gel liner on my waterline, and this is very difficult for me. I'm gonna cry now because my eyes are very sensitive, but the Inglot gel liner is waterproof, so no worries. And now I'm cleaning up my under eye area with the wet wipes. After that, I'm going to set my eyebrows with the Maybelline Brow Drama 24-hour sculpting brow mascara, and this is the darkest shade. And here I'm quickly applying a pair of false lashes. They're the Flutter style from the Unicorn Lashes. Now moving on to face makeup. First I'm going to apply a serum. This is a Pixi Rose Caviar Essence. I've already applied moisturizer way before I started my makeup. This serum is so good. I love this serum so much. This is like my daytime serum, and here I'm using my Real Technique stippling brush. This serum will make your skin bright. Really, I'm using these almost like 3 weeks now maybe, and my skin is looking so glowy. And now for the sunscreen, you have to apply a sunscreen because it's already very hot in our country and you need a sunscreen. This is La Roche-Posay Anti-Shine Dry Touch Gel Cream Sunscreen, and this is SPF 50. Perfect for summer country like Bangladesh or India. And this is an anti-shine gel cream. That means it's gonna be a matte sunscreen. It's perfectly suitable for all kind of skin. I love this sunscreen so much because as you can see, it just brighten up my skin instantly, like in a second. My skin is very bright and glowy now. Now my most favorite primer in summertime, this is the Ordinary Silicone Adherence Primer. I love this primer so much. It will make my skin flawless. It hides my pores, and whenever I apply the foundation, my foundation blends so well. Now I'm going to do some color correcting. You all knows that I always do color correcting. So this is the Morphe 30 concealer palette, and from this palette I'm taking this orange concealer, and with the MAC concealer brush I'm applying this under my eye area, around my mouth area and around my nose area. You know the drill. I always do that, right? If you have dark circle or pigmentation, you can use this type of orange corrector to hide this dark spot or pigmentation. And now I'm going to apply a foundation. Okay, I don't have the footage. Here I'm using Huda Beauty Faux Filter foundation, and my shade is Latte, and with my Morphe blending brush I'm applying this all over on my face. I love this foundation. So my skin is combination. I have a very oily T-zone. My nose area, my forehead areas are very oily, but my cheeks are a little bit drier. But this Huda Beauty foundation makes my skin super flawless. Now I'm taking a lighter yellow shade from the Morphe concealer palette, and I'm going to highlight my face. So here I'm using a very interesting brush from MAC. This is the MAC 106 triangular concealer brush. The shape of this brush is very interesting. So yeah, with the help of this brush I'm applying this concealer under my eye area, on my forehead, under my contour line, and a little bit on my chin. And I'm blending this with my Morphe Pro blending sponge. And now I'm going to bake my under eye area with a Makeup Revolution banana powder because it's very hot outside in Bangladesh and you need to make sure that your base is perfect. And I'm applying the banana powder on my mouth area, a little bit on my nose and on my forehead. Basically, I'm applying the powder all over on my face, and now with a fluffy face brush, this brush is from Morphe as well, I'm dusting off the excess powder from my face. And now I'm contouring my cheeks with my NYX contour kit. You know the drill. I have a very big fat round face. I need the contouring, right? And this is the contour brush from Zoeva. And here with the same brush I'm contouring my nose as well. No, my contouring is not done yet. I'm contouring my forehead. Now this step is optional, okay? You don't need to do this step if you don't like it. Here I'm taking a translucent powder, and with my MAC triangular concealer brush I'm applying this translucent powder just under my contour area. So my contour will look sharp yet blended. So first I'm applying these on my nose area to make my nose contouring little bit more precise, and then I'm going to apply this under my contour line. And now I'm going to apply some blush. This is the MAC Blush Baby, and I'm going to apply this on my cheeks with an angle brush. And here I'm dusting off the excess translucent powder from my nose area and from my cheek. Now the highlighter, woohoo, my favorite part. Today I am using the Makeup Revolution Soft X palette. This highlighter palette is gorgeous, and I'm applying this on my cheekbone, and here I'm using my blank canvas number F15. Here I'm applying the same highlighter on the bridge of my nose and little bit on my upper lip area. And now I'm going to set everything with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. You can use any kind of oil control setting spray. And now I'll be waiting for 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna apply my red lipstick. Yes, this is Pohela Boishakh. Okay, you need a red lipstick. Here I am just dabbing my damn beauty sponge all over on my face, so my makeup will stay all day long. Oh my god, I bought this Fenty liquid lipstick like couple of months ago when I was in Amsterdam, but I was saving this for my Pohela Boishakh makeup tutorial. How exciting. Okay, so first I'm gonna line my lips. This is the MAC lip liner and the shade is Cherry. And here I'm going to apply the Fenty Beauty Universal Liquid Lipstick, and oh my god, the pigmentation, I'm well impressed. I love this one already, and yes, I'm so happy because I love a good red lipstick. You know, if you are very old to my channel, you will know that I always wear a red lipstick now and then. Yeah, I just need an occasion to wear a red lipstick. It's a very long lasting liquid lipstick, and yeah, super duper matte. This red lipstick will be perfect for any occasion. Pohela Boishakh, of course, on your anniversary, Eid, Christmas, New Year, birthday, wedding, even if you are going for a breakup, you know, any occasion. Well, I should stop rambling now. Here I'm done. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, all are Shahnaz Shimul. I have also done a hairstyle tutorial for Pohela Boishakh. I will show you 2 different types of hairstyles, so please wait for that. I will upload that tutorial very soon. So see you all in my next tutorial. Until then, Shubho Navabarsho.